This question is taken from set. You can see here, if NA is equal to 35, NB is equal to 30, and A intersection B is equal to 20, we have to find out A union B and only A. Let's take a start. First of all, what is given here? Write down all the information. NA is equal to 35. Similarly, NB is equal to, we have 30. Similarly, and A intersection B is equal to 20. Now what we have to find out? A union B. Let's find out A union B by using formula. What is the formula? NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So NA is equal to, what is the value of NA? NA is equal to, we have 35, so we have to write here 35, plus NB is equal to 30, so write on 30, minus A intersection B is equal to 20, so let's write on 20. Now we have to add and subtract. When you add these two, we get 65 minus 20. Let's subtract this one. We get here how much? 5 and 4, 45 we get here. Hope you understand this one. Next, what we have to find out? Only A. Now only A formula we have to use, and only A. What is the formula of only A? And A minus N A intersection B. NA is equal to, what is the value of NA? 35, so we have to write here 35 minus A intersection B. A intersection B is 20, so write on 20. Let's subtract this two, we get here 15. So only A is equal to 15. Hope you understand. Please hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.